Will Chidambaram survive? That's the big question. Now, Subramanian Swamy, the crusader against corruption, he says, don't be disappointed if the verdict doesn't come today. Special Judge O.P. Saini is a very careful man. He will study the Supreme Court judgment before delivering his. Let's listen in to Subramanian Swamy.
Well, there were these same ministers who were defending Raja. They were defending Kanimuri too. They were defending Maran. And I'm telling you that these people have lost all their self-respect, these ministers. They are not worthy of being called ministers. Look at their track record. Kapil Sibal, supposed to be a senior lawyer, says that the loss is zero. After the CAG said there is a big loss. And now the Supreme Court says that the nation has lost a lot of risk. Does he apologize to the media? Does he apologize to the public? Nobody. Then he says licenses need not be cancelled. I wrote him a letter immediately after the getting sanctioned. I said cancel it. He said no need to cancel it. Or some irregularities are there, I'll fix it. Today the Supreme Court has cancelled it. What is he saying? He says yes, this is an education and I will make amends. You have no choice to make amends. You have to cancel it. Full stop. So, and as far as Salman Khurshid is concerned, his knowledge of law is disgraceful. I think he really has to go back to college, or I'll have to ask for this, which certificate he got, from which university he got the degree. So, consequently, I am not bothered about these ministers. They are going to make a joke of themselves because they know they are all in it together. The boat sinks, they will all go, because no other government will ever make them ministers. Their sycophancy is not appreciated anywhere else. So, I'm not surprised, but I will say that since I'm a private citizen, I don't have the wherewithal of the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate. I have to go step by step. I have named each time who it will be next, and I've gone after it. And now it has reached a stage where the trial court has listened to me and reserved the orders. The Supreme Court has actually strengthened my case, which now they are saying it is strengthening their case. Namely, they say that Raja didn't care for the finance minister. Well, what did the finance minister do then? He was given a responsibility to jointly decide, which he says he decided, which the Prime Minister says they decided. So that means he was complicit with Raja, even after Raja said, go to hell. Because Raja had, of course, a big patron, whose turn is next. And therefore, I am very, very sure that Mr. Chidambaram will have to face the court and answer the charges, and I am 100% certain that he will be convicted.
So, several people have pointed out that the judgment by the Supreme Court scrapping the 2G licenses actually squarely blames Raja and in fact tries to
correct.
absolve the finance minister.
No, it doesn't absolve. That is your reading. It says Raja did not, knowing the mind of the finance secretary because he wrote that letter, refused to consult the finance ministry.
Right.
Alright. I say that is an even bigger damnation of the finance ministry, because the finance ministry then lumped it. Then why did Raja and Chidambaram meet to discuss the prices? Why did Chidambaram write to the Prime Minister, it's a closed chapter? Why did he tell his officers, don't raise this subject again, I don't want to revisit it? So actually, in my opinion, see, on one hand they criticize me for going to the press. But they are constantly going to the press and misrepresenting the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court actually also praises those enlightened individuals who have brought this matter to public record. Why didn't they answer that? So I would say that these are all what in English is called the dying croak of a duck which is about to die. You see? So they will go on saying that till the very end. But I think, frankly, the matter has reached such a stage that by the end of this year, all the principal culprits will be convicted.